Hi, my name is Holly Romanelli, and I'm a behavior analyst at Pathway Strategic Teaching Center. As part of our parent training series, we'll be going over incidental teaching. Incidental teaching is when we take advantage of naturally occurring opportunities to teach our kids different skills. It's also a way to practice developing language skills in naturally occurring adult-child interactions. For example, if you're trying to teach your child to say, "Good morning, Mom," the parent greets the child in his or her bedroom when he or she wakes up in the morning, which is a natural time and a natural context. The parent provides one opportunity for the child to spontaneously say, "Good morning, Mom." Provide a 10-second time delay to wait for their response. If the child spontaneously says, "Good morning, Mom," give verbal praise and appropriate response, "Good morning," and then the child's name. If the child fails to respond or makes an inappropriate response during that 10-second time delay, provide a model of the target phrase. No praise is provided for an incorrect response. How do we conduct incidental teaching? So we want the child to initiate the interaction by requesting assistance from the adult. It can also be used in different situations such as free play. Create an environment that presents plenty of teachable moments to the child. The child's request may be verbal or nonverbal. Some examples include stretching for an object that's beyond his reach, struggling with clothing, calling an adult's name, asking for play material, for food, or for information. You're going to put items in the area but just out of reach of the child. For an example, it might be on a high shelf that's out of their reach. They're able to see the item, but they cannot reach it. So you want to make sure that the items are easily visible to the child. Then you're going to wait for the child to initiate. You may place your hand over the child's hand and look expectantly for as long as 30 seconds. Then you might say, "What do you want?" For example, the child might answer with a verbalization, "Ball" or "doll." Then you can have the child elaborate if you're working on adding more detail. "What color ball? What kind of doll?" If the child elaborates by saying "red ball," then you would tell them "nice job" and give them the item. If the child does not respond, you'll look at the object for a moment and then back at the child and ask, "What is this?" If the child still does not answer, look at the child and say what you want the child to say. "Red ball." If the child responds, you can say, "That's right, red ball," and let the child have the red ball. If the exchange is taking too much time or it's becoming unpleasant for either of you, stop and redirect the child to another activity. Wait for your next opportunity for a teachable moment. The following are videos of incidental teaching.